Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 10 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the last video, we were able to create the backyard. We added a pool, we added a deck, and then we added the sliding or folding door. Now we're going to continue working on this. So what I want to do is I want to extend this part right here. So by doing that, we need to go to level 1 or ground floor to see, because I just want to add more front yard right here, because I'm going to extend this one all the way to the top. So I'm going to go to my south elevation, and then I'm going to select this wall right here, and I want to put it at the top a bit. So in that sense, I'm gonna top offset this around 1500, and then I will need to go around this in order to add the top here. So I need to go to level 2 in order to basically extract this one so that it's not all the way to the top. So what I need to do is split element, so SL, and we need to add it at the corner right there. Right there, so that's deleted or that's cut. We just need to double check everything because we need to pull it backwards because it's too much for that. So now SL again, and then we need to cut it right here. So now that's cut right there. As you can see, we can top offset this one to 1500. So now this one is cut. We need to go to level 2 again in order for us to see the surrounding of this. So the problem that we have is this is all the way up to here. So we need to put this one up and then this one as well up. So that's okay. We need to have that one up there and then go to our level 2 again, and then we need this one to go up. So we need to put 1500 for this one, and we need to change this to exterior wall. And then this one needs to be up as well, SL, and then we need to click it right there, change this to exterior wall number 1, and then go up. We need to edit this footprint. You can delete this and then delete this, and then we just need to go all the way right here and then trim and extend, and then pull this one back. and then click finish. this one 1500. There we go. So now it's a little bit at the top there. So that's the design. We could make this one a little bit. So I'm gonna put it at 700. And then click apply. So that's more than good enough for us to add some windows. I'll make all the windows. Actually, I'm gonna put it 1000 so that we have enough room for the glass to make it easier as well to remember. So that's done there. We need to pull this one all the way to the top as well, and then this one to follow, AL, then to follow. So that's good right there as well. Everything is working accordingly to what we want. And then we're going to add windows here and then windows here. And then if we want to, we could add windows here as well. So surrounding all of this bedroom right here. And then of course we're going to add in our roof. So let's add in our roof. What I want to do is to roof by extrusion. So pick a plane, and then we're going to, so I'm still thinking if we're going to do this like this, or I'm going to do a model in place instead, because it's hard for us to design it like that. So might as well just put it as model in place and then generic model, or if we put it at roof, that will be fine as well. So roof number 1, and then we're going to do an extrusion. And then the good thing about extrusions is that we'll be able to just manipulate that afterwards. So we could just add something, an overhang here. So around 7, around 8 here. We could put it at 800, and then 800 here as well, so that it's consistent. And then click finish, and then we will see it going all the way at the top and then all the way right here. And then we could just connect it there. And then of course we need to change the material. So we're going to edit, and then I'm going to do is gypsum wall board, duplicate selected material. So I have it like that. Click finish. So we can put lights here surrounding here, so that will be nice. And then I'm going to add a design, so I'm going to put an overhang here as well on this side. And then we're going to put this one as wood at the bottom, and then, or we could do a surround here. So I'm gonna do is edit in place. We could paint this, so I'm gonna paint this one right here. Paint, a wood color or wood material, so soft lumber. I'm gonna put it right there. Click finish, and then after this I'm gonna edit this again, and I'm gonna create a sweep. Pick path, I'm gonna select this one right here, right there, and right here, so all at the top and surrounding it. Click finish, edit profile, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do something like this. I'm gonna push it a little bit at the top and a little bit at the bottom. Not too much. And then here I'm gonna create a notch somewhere in the middle right here. Not middle, but a little bit at the bottom. And then delete this. So the notch, we have something like that. And then SL, and then TR, trim and extend. Click finish, and then finish again. So in terms of material, we could do is the gypsum wallboard again, the one that we just created. So now it will look like that. We have a wood material right here and something on here. So, and then we could put a light around here that will look really nice. And then here we can paint this one to the same material as we have here, asphalt shingles. So we need to add this one right here, and then now it's the same material as we have right there, almost, and then click finish. You can do the same here, so everything is similar. Another thing that I want to revise is this wall right here. So I want to trim and extend here, TR, and then here, this wall right here, I want it to be close after here. So I don't want it to be sticking out anymore. And then here, I just want it to be leveled. So what will happen is we will need to align this. Unjoin here, unjoin here, delete. And then here we could just delete this one and then trim and extend. And then we could just add this one again. So now we have a little bit room to add for our walk-in closet right here. So that's good. So now this is flat. So that's perfect enough. And then here, of course, we need to lower this one out. So we'll just cover this one later on. But if you want to clean that up, what we need to do is to see where this one is. So you can do is check where is underlay, and then go to level 1, and then this is where it is. So what you need to do is SL, split element, and then we need to delete it, slice it from there, go to 3D, and you'll be able to pull this one down. So now nothing is overlapping and everything is connected all together. So that's fine right there. I like the way that looks. And then we might change all of this to a different panel or a different material for this one only. So maybe this one, and then here connected to this one. We could put in a wood material, so might as well paint it now so that we'll be able to visualize it. So even if we painted a brick, at least we can recognize the difference of the material. So similar to that. Okay, so I'm happy with the way that looks. So at least there's a separation in terms of the way we look. As you can see, this is all the way to the top, and then we could add a design right here so that it looks nicer as well. Let's cover this up. I want to go to ground, and then let's add in a different material here. So go to architecture, click on floor, edit, duplicate, floor number 5, and then let's change this to a different concrete material. I'm gonna choose a random one, apply OK, and then OK. And then we're going to add a floor right here. And then we can just extend it from here. So we could just click here, and then TR, trim and extend, and then trim and extend right here. And then click finish. We could extend this grass now. I'm going to align it right here, and then align it on this. And then we could just have this one trim. So TR, trim and extend here. Actually, go back, trim and extend right here, and then all the way here. And then after that, we could extend this border wall right here. So CS, I'm going to add the wall all the way here, align it to this side, and then TR, trim and extend as well. And then let's look at it at 3D to see how it looks. So that looks good right there. We want to make sure that this one is stop offset, and then we could put the base offset here, 200. Actually negative 200. Click apply so that everything is covered right there. And then in the next video, we're going to clean this up so that it's we could add in some gate, and then of course we're gonna do some design here. So thank you for watching, and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.